Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Agriculum. Today we start with lecture 6 of Introductory to Animal Husbandry. In lecture 6 there are two units, clean milk production, feeds and feeding. Now what is clean milk production? Clean milk production is an essential aspect of animal husbandry, ensuring the milk obtained from dairy animals is free from contaminants, pathogens and harmful residues. What it means is, जो भी हमारा milk production हो रहा है वो एकदम साफ सुथरा हो, उसमें कोई pathogens, contaminants, कोई harmful residue ना रह जाए. Now, clean milk production is safe for human consumption, has a longer shelf life and enhances the overall quality of dairy products. जो भी हम dairy product उस clean milk से बनाएंगे उसकी quality better होगी, उस milk की shelf life long होगी और human consumption के लिए वो safe होता है. Proper management practices, hygiene and animal health care play a crucial role in maintaining the milk quality. Now, what is the importance of clean milk production? There are health benefits. It reduces the risk of milk-borne diseases and ensure consumer safety. There is economic value. High-quality milk fetches better market prices and improves the dairy farmer profits. जितना अच्छा milk होगा, clean होगा, साफ सुथरा होगा, उतना ज़्यादा market में उसका price increase होगा, तो उतना ही आपको profit मिलेगा. Longer shelf life, क्योंकि उसमें कोई भी बैक्टीरिया नहीं है, कोई भी कंटामिनेंट नहीं है, तो वो उसकी शेल्फ लाइफ लॉन्ग है, वो ज़्यादा देर तक रह सकता है आपके पास. सो क्लीन मिल्क लास्ट लॉन्गर, reducing wastage and transportation losses. Last one is better dairy products, enhances the quality of dairy products like cheese, butter and yogurt. Next is factors affecting clean milk production. Healthy and disease-free animals, clean and sanitized milk equipment, washing udders and teats before milking, hygienic hands or gloves during the milking, clean and well-ventilated animal housing, nutritious and uncontaminated feed and water, immediate cooling and clean storage of milk. Last, regular training and awareness for milkers. Another unit is feeds and feeding in animal husbandry. Now, first one is importance of proper feeding. What is the importance? Now, proper feeding is essential for growth and development, optimal milk, meat, egg production, reproductive efficiency, disease resistance, and overall health. Now, feeds. What is the classification of feeds? There are different classifications. The first one is based on nutrient composition. There is ruggages and then there is concentrates. What are ruggages? They are high in fiber but low in energy. Examples are green fodder, dry fodder like hay and straw, silage. What are concentrates? They are low in fiber but high in energy and protein. Examples are grains like maize, barley, oil cakes, bran, molasses. Another classification is based on origin. There is plant-based feeds like grass, legumes, grains, crop residues. Then there are animal-based feeds that are fish meal, meat meal, milk byproducts. Another classification, the last one, is based on function. Maintenance feed, वो feed जो हम सिर्फ survival के लिए और daily activities को fulfill करने के लिए देते हैं, and daily activities. Second one is production feed, वो feed जो हम milk, meat या egg production के लिए देंगे. Growth feed जो young ones और growing animals को दी जाता है. और pregnancy और lactation feed जो कि pregnant और lactating females के लिए होता है. What are the key principles of feeding? Balanced diet. It should include carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Regular feeding schedule. Feed at the same time daily. Clean and fresh feed. Avoid spoiled, moldy या फिर contaminated feed नहीं होना चाहिए. Adequate water. Ensure access to clean drinking water. Use of mineral mixtures and salt licks to meet micronutrient needs. Feed according to age, breed and purpose. Adjust the quantity. Quantity को उस हिसाब से adjust करें जैसा भी age है, breed है, purpose है, and type of feed accordingly. Proper storage of feed to avoid spoilage and contamination. Lastly, monitoring and record keeping. Track feed intake and animal performance. Thank you. That's all for today's lecture. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.